Okay, this is the solution to problem 7 from the Math Level 2 practice exam. You've got a car driving closer to a billboard. So at the first instance, the car is here, and it's there's an angle of elevation to the top of the billboard, right there, at 20 degrees. It drives 800 feet, and the angle of elevation increases to 43 degrees. What is the height of the billboard? So there's a couple of different ways to do this, but I think what we'll do is we're going to use we're going to determine that hypotenuse of the triangle on the right first. And the way we can do that is kind of an in-between step here to first figure out what is that angle. I'm going to write it in red here. Hopefully you can see 180 degrees minus 43 degrees. So that's going to be 137 degrees right here. Then we're going to use that to find this top angle of the triangle on the left. So you've got 20 degrees, 137 degrees. Those add up to 157 degrees. This final angle in the top of the triangle on the left will be 180 minus 157, which will be 23 degrees. So we'll just double check, make sure the math is good to go. We've got 20 plus 137 plus 23, 180 degrees for the triangle on the left. So that matches. Now we're going to use the law of sines to solve for that distance x. So you've got x over sine 20 equals 800 over sine 23 degrees. So x equals 800 sine 20 over sine 23. I'm going to check to make sure my calculator is in degree mode and just kind of plug that in. Divided by sine 23. And you get about 700.3. So that's, in this problem, that's feet. Okay, so that means the triangle on the right now, we have the hypotenuse, 700.3. We have this angle, feet, and we have this angle, 43 degrees, and now we just need to find that value of h. So if you look at the trig ratio, right triangle trigonometry, the sine of 43 degrees equals opposite over the hypotenuse. So for us, that's going to be 700.3 times the sine of 43, and you get 477.6 approximately. $477.6, which is choice C.